Hello everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I have a 2014 Honda Civic Si headlight build, not to be confused with some lowly Honda Civic. This is a Honda Civic Si, which actually, believe it or not, has a different headlight assembly. This is a pretty basic build in regards to the fact that it is purely performance oriented. It's got a little bit of flash because we have a nice Switchback Halo on there, but ultimately it is a performance oriented build with a Morimoto Mini D2S projector assembly, a full 3-inch projector that is jammed inside that housing, and it fills it up real nicely. It's got a black Apollo 2.0 flat shroud on it, which again fills up very nicely. It is trimmed to fit, complemented by the Morimoto 2-stroke LEDs for a high beam supplement, because remember that is a bi-xenon assembly, so that will be low beam and high beam. And then we're also going to do some LED turn signals in here. As you can probably tell, I have removed that big ol' amber chunk in there, so it's a nice clean OEM plus look, all chrome and black. So very tasteful, and that's going to fit onto this vehicle quite well. Turning on the halos now, as you can see, they are really bright. These are the standard profile pivot switchback halos, which are my little de factos, and I don't have my little turn signal module set up right now, but as you can see, they do in fact go amber, and that will be wired into the turn signal. So this is going to be a nice, beautiful setup. Now, as far as actual headlight performance goes, this is the same combination of products that I almost always use when I get the chance to, which is, again, obviously the Morimoto Mini D2S projector assembly, 6500 Kelvin Morimoto bulbs, and 50-watt ballast. So it ends up with a nice pure white output. And up on the wall, you can see that we have quite a bit of light output. This is standard what to expect. We love it. Not many Honda Civic SIs on the road are running this type of light output, so this should be really cool to see once it's installed. Pricing and product information for this particular headlight set will be in the video description, so if you're interested in the set, be sure to check that out. But understand that every set is custom made to order, so your pricing may vary. Contact information will also be in the video description. That's all I got to say on this one. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I shall see you later. See ya.